I'm sure many of you are sick and tired of receiving this high earnings notification from Uber like clockwork every single day. I still haven't found a way to turn it off within the Uber driver app, but I have found a way to essentially turn it off within my iPhone settings. Let's discuss. So again, I've been receiving this high earnings notification from the Uber driver app for what it feels like the better part of a year now. But again, within the Uber driver app, I have all these push notification categories turned off. And I thought that the high earnings notifications would have been earning opportunities. But unfortunately, as I've found out, that is not the case. So I had just gotten to the point with it where I just accepted that I was going to receive that notification every single day, and I kind of just gave up. And I feel like I've been receiving this high earnings notification, a buzzing from my phone every morning for the last year at about 7 a.m. But just last week, I figured I'd ask ChatGPT and see if it knew of a way that I could turn this notification off. It said that you can't do it within the Uber driver app, but I could edit my phone settings. And now by changing certain notification settings from the Uber driver app, I have essentially turned it off. And again, I have an iPhone. I'm not sure what it's like on Android. I'm not sure if you even receive these high earnings notifications or if you have a better way to turn them off. But on an iPhone, you'll open your settings, you'll scroll down and select notifications, then you'll scroll down and select the Uber driver app. And here's exactly what my notifications look like with Uber. I'm allowing notifications, obviously, so I can get ride request notifications. I have time-sensitive notifications turned off, and I've also turned off notifications on the lock screen and the notification center. And I could have actually always had these turned off. I have no reason to receive notifications in the notification center or the lock screen. The only notifications that I need from Uber are ride requests. I don't need any other push notifications from the Uber driver app. And also, I do have banners on, but if you did want to completely turn off those high earnings notifications, you could turn these banners off. But then also when you receive a ride request, you won't get those banner notifications anymore. So the app will just ding as a request from the Uber driver app, and you'll have to open the Uber driver app. You won't get that banner notification. So again, if you want the high earnings notifications completely off, you'll have to deselect banners as well. And I also have these exact same notification settings with the Lyft driver app. So for me personally, I have essentially turned off this high earnings notification. I still get it. I'll still get it as a banner notification, but it'll be a temporary notification. So it no longer shows up on my lock screen or in the notification center. So it's like it never even happened sometimes. But I also did notice that I did have haptics on for these notifications. So that notification would still come in at 7 a.m. and my phone would still buzz and I'd still hear it. So all I had to do was go into settings again, select sounds and haptics, select haptics, and I have don't play in silent mode turned on. So when my phone is in silent mode, there will be no haptics played at all. But then when silent mode is off, I will have haptics. But if you wanted to, you could turn off haptics completely and just turn it to never play. But I personally do like those haptics when I do receive a ride request. I've just gotten used to it. So I turn off silent mode when I am actually online with Uber. But then at night, I just turn my phone to silent mode, and that buzzing, those haptics when a notification comes in, don't happen at all. But again, since I still have banners turned on, I'm still receiving these notifications, but they're being delivered silently. And if you did want to completely turn them off, you would have to turn off the banner notifications for the Uber driver app. But then your ride requests would not come in as banner notifications. Quite frankly, it is ridiculous that I have to do this on my phone and I can't just do this within the Uber driver app. We should be able to turn off all unnecessary notifications within the Uber driver app that we don't want to get. We shouldn't have to edit settings on our phones. But the only push notifications I ever want to receive from Uber are ride requests. I don't need to see anything else. I don't need to see anything on my lock screen. I don't need to see anything in the notification center. Any push notifications I get from Uber, I want to see live, and it's only trip requests. I don't need to see anything else. So again, to review, I still haven't found out a way to turn off those high earnings notifications within the Uber driver app, and I'm happy that I've figured out a way within my phone settings to essentially turn these notifications off. What about all of you? Have you figured out a way to turn off these high earnings notifications within the Uber driver app? I don't think there's a way. Did you know this workaround within the iPhone? And also, what about those of you with Android phones? Have you figured out a way to turn these off as well? And I know what Uber is trying to do with these high earnings notifications. They're trying to get more drivers out onto the road, but I wonder how actually effective this high earnings notification is. I guess even if it's a small percentage, it's effective enough for them to keep sending it. If you've yet to download the Solo app to help you manage your rideshare business and earn more, our referral link is in the description. We also have a free newsletter, and the link to sign up for that is in the description as well. If you've yet to watch my previous video on the 10 things that I've never done while driving rideshare, be sure to check that one out. Thanks again for watching and drive safe. Thanks.